So far in your life, what did you learn in terms of business? Never start a business with huge capital like 100,000, 175, 350, 500,000, 750,000. You will not gain profit out of it. Another thing, never trust anyone of your family. Never entrust your business to them because you never know. Instead of profit, it will be a terrible loss and liability. Third, try to create security. Try to treat those family members nor yung mga umutang sa iyo as security, and try to always befriend the police. Yung first, hindi ka dapat magbigay ng malaking kapital because hindi ka pa